NVIDIA just took Alibaba's newest AI model and shrank it down so far that it now fits on hardware most regular people could actually own. And here's the part that should blow your mind. It barely lost any of its intelligence doing it. Let me break down exactly what happened here, because this might be one of the biggest shifts in AI this year, and most people are going to miss it completely. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI-powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news, so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. So here's the model. It's called Qwen 3.6, and the version everyone's talking about holds 35 billion pieces of knowledge inside it. That's a genuinely huge brain. But here's the trick that makes this thing fast and cheap to run. It only wakes up about 3 billion of those pieces at any one time. Think of it like a hospital. You don't need every single doctor in the building looking at one patient. You just call in the specific specialist you actually need, and the rest stay home. This model has 256 different expert subsections inside it, and for every word it processes, it only calls on about 9 of them. The other 247 just sit there quiet. That's why you get the intelligence of a giant model with the speed and cost of a tiny one. Now, here's why this is a big deal. A year ago, running a model this capable required a massive computer farm, the kind only big companies could actually afford. Everyone else had to rent access and hope it held up. Now, people are reportedly running this model on a single regular graphics card and getting speeds faster than you can read. That's the real shift here. The power is moving off the giant server farm and onto a regular desk, but the model itself is only half of this story. The real news is what NVIDIA did on top of it. They released their own compressed version of it. In plain terms, every AI model is made up of huge amounts of numbers, and those numbers are normally stored in a heavy format that takes up a lot of space. NVIDIA found a way to shrink each one of those numbers down to a quarter of its original size. The result is a model that takes up roughly 3 times less memory and 3 times less hardware to actually run. Picture packing a suitcase, most people just throw everything in loosely. NVIDIA folded everything down tight and fit the same amount of stuff into a bag, a third of the size. Now, normally when you shrink a model down like this, it gets dumber. That's the standard trade-off everyone expects. But when this version got tested side by side against the full-sized original, the scores barely moved. A little down in one area, a little up in another, basically a tie overall. So you keep almost all of the intelligence and you cut the size down by 2/3. That's the part that's actually getting people's attention here. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step, so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. And this thing isn't just built for chatting, it's built to act on its own, to read something, think it through, fix problems, and check its own work. On a well-known coding benchmark that hands a model a real bug from a real software project and asks it to find and fix it, this model reportedly scored close to some of the best paid models that exist, and it reportedly beat a similarly sized model from Google by a wide margin on that same test. In one example, a developer handed it nothing but a written plan for a small game, and it built the entire thing out over 10 files and thousands of lines of code, even catching and fixing its own mistake along the way, and the game worked on the first try. Here's a number that's easy to scroll past, but actually matters a lot. This model can reportedly read over 260,000 words at once. That's longer than most full-length books. You can hand it an entire document and it processes the whole thing in one pass. No breaking it into pieces, no losing track of the beginning by the time it reaches the end. Most older models had a short memory. You'd give them a long document and they'd basically forget the start before they finished reading it. This one holds on to the entire thing, the whole document, the whole project all at once, and the compressed version keeps that same full memory intact. You get the smaller size without losing the big memory. Now, zoom out for a second because the model itself is impressive, but the real pattern underneath it is the part you should actually care about. For years, the entire story in AI has been simple: bigger wins. You needed the most money and the biggest computers to compete. This release flips that idea on its head. A smaller model is beating bigger ones on the tests that actually matter, and Nvidia just made it 3 times cheaper to run on top of that. So the future of this stuff might not belong to whoever owns the biggest server farm. It might belong to whoever is smartest about actually using these lean, cheap open tools. But let me be straight with you, because I'm not here to hype something up without giving you the full picture. This model isn't perfect. Some people testing it have found it can occasionally get stuck in a loop, starting a task, finishing, then second guessing itself, and starting over again. And the tool calling side of it, where the model uses other software to actually get things done, still needs some careful setup. So it's not fully plug and play for every single use case yet. You have to know the right settings to make it stable. So here's where this lands. A free open model that you can actually own, running on hardware you can buy yourself, coding close to the best paid tools out there, reading entire books in one pass, and now compressed down to fit on much smaller machines. That combination genuinely did not exist a year ago, not even close. The model itself is free and sitting out in the open for anyone to grab. The part that actually separates people this year is knowing how to set it up properly and point it at the right tasks. That's the real edge, and it's available to anyone willing to learn it before everyone else catches on. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.